Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you for stopping by. So in today's video we are making dry pap. Yes, we're going to be making powdered pap. You can turn your pap into powder. Is a way of preserving it. If you don't have the time of maybe putting the wet pap into the freezer or changing the water every time, you can easily turn it into powder, dry powder. And this is what I'm going to show you today. Here is the wet pap I'm going to use. I'm using yellow pap. Of course, you need a wet pap to turn it to dry pap. So I have a video on how to make pap in my channel here. I'll leave the link in the description box below. It will also pop up on the screen here. Check that out. The next thing I do is to spread it out into a tray, a kind of pieces it, and pour it into a tray. We're going to dry this under the sun. You can also dry it. You can leave it under the fan or depending on where you are. Because I left it in the bag overnight, that's why it looks like the whole water in the pap already dried, but it's still very wet. So I'll just spread it like this and then take it out to the sun. This is after about 8 hours under the sun. It's dried but not well dried, so I'm going to leave it under the fan to air dry it for the rest of the evening and the night. And here we have it all dried. It is now well dried. Please, if yours did not dry within 1 or 2 days, make sure to dry it very well so that it can last as long as you want it. I'm still going to do another thing. It is not as smooth as I want it, so we're going to do something else to it. We're going to blend it so as to smoothen it very well. And here we have our dry or powdered pap. Store this in an airtight container and it can last as long as you want it to last. And to prepare your breakfast or your baby's food with this dry pap is not difficult. All you need to do is to scoop the quantity you want into a plate, add some room temperature water to it to dissolve it. Then after dissolving, pour into your hot boiling water. Just the same way you make the wet pap is the same way you make this. It's not difficult at all. Thank you all for watching. We have come to the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click on the like button and also share the video. And if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button there and join the family. See you all in our next video. Until then, remain blessed. Love you all. Bye bye.